Hello everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you a cool trick to spice up your chord progressions, chord movements, or whatever you want to call it. This is called the 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you want to learn this, check this video out. Before I go on and talk about the chord progression, I just want to thank everyone who follows this channel, yung sumusubaybay sa channel na ito. I just want to thank everyone that you are the reason why I continue to make videos. And today, this is actually a continuation of the keyboard tutorials that I'm going to make. So there will be many for sure soon. If you haven't watched or checked my first ever keyboard tutorial, go ahead and check it out. Here, or here. I don't know where, saan ko ilalagay. That will be super fun. And hopefully you can learn something dun. So ayun, let's go to the chord progression, the 1, 2, 3, 4. So sa last video kasi, I talked about the do, re, mi. Your basic do, re, mi, solfege, I don't know. So ito, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Ayun. So that is actually the very foundation of this 1, 2, 3, 4 or sa lahat ng mga pag-uusapan nating mga chord progression. Kasi when you learn more and go up higher kasi, you begin to treat chords based on their intervals. Okay? So interval. So may root and then may second, third, fourth, fifth. Sometimes sa pag-learn mo ng music, kahit anong instrument yung hinahawakan mo, may guitar, keyboard, bass, you will encounter chords na will be written as numbers. Bakit numbers? Kasi ganito kasi yun. Regardless of the key, you can play the chords. Think about that. So, just bear with me. This is the first time na pag-aaralan natin yung number system. If you wanna learn more, then comment down below. But, ayun. That is like the quickest possible way for me to discuss that. And let's go to the chord progression now because yun yung pinunta nyo dito sa video na to, yung chord progression na 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. So, here is how it sounds like. A, B minor, C sharp minor, and then D. Ayun. So, there are many songs actually na written gamit yung chord progression na yun. But para common tayong lahat, let's just use Israel's Jesus at the Center. So, ito yung part na yung at the center of it all, at the center of it all. Okay. So, yun yung chord progression na 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, bakit 1, 2, 3, 4 siya? Ganito kasi yun. How I think about it is, yung do, re, mi, or yung major scale natin, i-substitute natin into numbers. So, kibale, yung do, that will be 1, re will be 2, mi will be 3, and so on and so forth. And so, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 octave. So, ayun. Kaya siya naging 1, 2, 3, 4 kasi 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayun, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ayun. So, this is actually an example na song mismo. So, talagang ganun yung chord progression ni Israel sa Jesus at the Center. How about, i-apply natin siya sa ibang song? Let's take, for example, When the Oceans Rise. Okay, still, okay? So, when the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Ayun. So, yung tune na yun, is actually very simple chord progression. So, when the oceans rise and thunders roar. Okay, so D, E, and A, da 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 D, E, F sharp. Okay, so from D, E, tsaka A, babalik siya sa D eh. So, in that gap, lagyan natin ng 1, 2, 3, 4 na movement. Okay, so try natin. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still, know you are God. One more time. When the oceans rise and thunders roar. Ayan. So, rinig na yun. That makes it different, spice it up a little bit. Pwede nyo gamitin sa worship time or talk music as I discussed sa first keyboard video ko. Ayan. So, that is the chord progression for today. 1, 2, 3, 4 chord progression. Let's... Ayun. In the key of A. If you like this video, again, please do click the like button below. Share this to your friends. Share this to your keyboard players or to your musician. And let's enjoy and have fun and use this as we worship God together and, you know, grow as worshipers and musicians in our churches. And also as individuals. Don't forget to grow yourself, okay? Huwag kang maghintay lang na turuan ka ni Master MD mo sa church nyo. Grow as an individual. Please support this channel by laying hands on that subscribe button below. And you know what? See you on the next video. Peace.